Today's Namaste, Kushru Bhatia. Today's topic is management of CBR. The emergence of the concept of community-based return. If give a person a fish, hell will eat for a day. If you teach him to fish, he will eat for a lifetime. The community-based return. If you give a person a fish, what is the CBR? CBR is systematic approach with general community development, whereby persons with disability are enabled to living a fulfilled life with their own community, making maximum use of local resources and helping the community become aware of its responsibility in ensuring the inclusion and equal participation of PWD. In the process, PWD are also made aware of their own role and responsibilities as they are part of community. Definition of CBR: a strategy with general community development of the rehabilitation, equalization, opportunities, and social inclusion of all people with disabilities. CBR is implemented through the combined effort of PWD themselves, their families, organizations, and communities, and the relevant governmental and non-governmental health, education, vocational, social, and other service. Mainstream and inclusion is seen as the effective way to include persons with disability, to give equal opportunity, and to provide a non-discriminative environment of their growth and development. Major objective: they ensure the PWD are able to maximize their physical and mental disability, to assess the regular service and opportunities, and to become active contributor to the community and society at large. Evolution of severe concept and severe disability and revolution. Disability is no longer viewed as merely the result of impairment. Social model of disability has increased the awareness that environmental barrier, attitudinal, physical, institutional participation impeded the functioning of PWD as equal. Disability and rehabilitation professionally, medical and others who provide rehabilitation service have the responsibility to provide relevant information to PWD, their families, so that they can make informed decisions to enable them to lead a fulfilling life. Human rights: CBR promote the right of PWD to live as equal citizens with the community, to enjoy health and well-being, to participate fully educational, social, cultural, religious, economic, and political activities. Poverty: there is a strong correlation between disability and poverty. Poverty lead to increased disability, and disability in turn lead to increased poverty. Eradicate serve poverty and hunger, promote gender equality and empower women, reduce mortality and morbidity. None of these goals can be effective achievement without an inclusion of PWD. Basic principle of CBR program: the principles are overlapping, complementary, and interdependent. They cannot be separated as the one from the other. Inclusion, participation, sustainability, empowerment, empowerment, advocacy. Essential component of the CVR program cover all type of PWD who need rehabilitation service, part of mainstream development and have a multi-sectoral approach. The program should have access to or generate a good and effective referral system. A program should aim at full integration of the PWD into his or her community. The program should have gender and disability focus and balance. The program need to be have committed and well-trained community members as service provider. support from social sector, disability pension, technical aids and adaptation, vocational training, and empowerment and coordination of referral for individuals who require service from other sector, support from NGO and local community, support from the health sector, support from the health sector, support from the educational sector, support from the employment and labor sector, support from the media. Thank you.